Welcome to DeepShell. This is a free AI-trusted Linux native assistant. It runs live at deepshell.cloud. I built this from scratch. It covers Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, AWS, Ansible, and Bash. It handles cloud, infrastructure, security, and scripting. No fluff. No general questions. Pure technical focus. Let me walk you through every feature. This is the DeepShell home screen. The header has all controls you need. Two modes are available, Assistant and Trainer. You can switch modes instantly from the header. The backend status shows green. That means online. The prompt box is at the bottom. Type your question and hit send. Click the Assistant button in the header. Assistant is the default mode. It gives fast, direct answers. Linux, Cloud, Kubernetes, Pentest, OSINT. All covered. Let me type a question now. Show me all running Docker containers. The response streams in real time. That is server. Sent events. SSE streaming. No page reload. No waiting for full response. Code blocks have copy buttons built in. Click the trainer button in the header. Trainer mode is for structured learning. Every response follows a fixed teaching format. It covers what the command does. Then the command itself with an example. Then a breakdown, common mistakes, try this next, and a pro tip. Let me ask an LVM question now. Notice the difference in response structure. This mode is ideal for upskilling and certification prep. Click Voice OFF to enable voice. DeepShell reads responses aloud. English uses the browser web speech API. Hindi uses Piper TTS, fully offline. No audio leaves your network. Use the replay button to hear the last response again. Click the EN drop-down in the header. You can select English or Hindi. Hindi responses go through Libri, translate first. Then Piper TTS generates the audio. The entire pipeline is self-hosted. Click the moon icon in the header. It switches between dark and light mode. Your preference is saved automatically. Click Export to save your chat. It downloads as a markdown file. You can keep it for future reference. Click Clear to reset the session. This starts a fresh conversation. See the green dot, the backend. Backend OK. That is a live health check. DeepShell focuses on Linux and IT infrastructure. Responses are accurate and to the point. DeepShell uses Grok as the default provider. Grok gives blazing fast inference speed. Cerebrus is the automatic failover. You can also run Ollama locally. Ollama means 100% offline. No API key needed with Ollama. That covers every feature of DeepShell. It is free and open source. Try it. Live at deepshell.cloud. The full article is on dev.to and Medium. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching.